Come on in. Welcome to my humble abode. Please ignore this empty area. I know I can do better than this. Straight out of the box, it's looking beautiful already. Let's get to assembling it. All right, let's get started. I have all the parts, all the tools, and the instructions. All right, guys, it's fully assembled. Assembly was a breeze, so easy, even a baby can do it. So this measures 42 inches in width and it weighs 26.46 pounds. As you can see, the material is made of polyester, thick material, features the rounded corners for safety, and it's got a tufted cover design, quite thick cushiony material. So the overall weight capacity, this can support 519 pounds, a whopping 500 plus pounds. So you lift the lid and look at all these shoes I'm able to store. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of boots too. And you can store some slippers, boots, anything you can think of, toys. And the storage capacity can support 57 pounds. So very nice hinges on both sides. Very nice, elegant design too. All right, let me finally test that and see if it's comfortable. Oh, wow. That is comfy. I can just imagine taking a nap right here near the entryway and reading a book. Ooh wee. Gotta brush up on my Chinese too. So if you're looking for the perfect Ottoman storage branch, look no further than the Yaheetech brand.